Good evening! You eat your dinner tonight, huh? Princess! You eat your dinner with Daniel. You eat well, eat more. God bless you. Okay. Is the food salty? Okay. Oh, you ba? Pray before you eat. Do you want to eat? Okay, sit down, sit down. Okay, pray muna before you eat. Ito plato mo. Okay. Oh, pray before you eat. Asan na sleeper mo? Use your sleeper. The ball is your sleeper. Okay, pray before you eat. Yobo, pray. Okay, very good. God bless you. O, tingin sa camera. Hello. Okay, you eat well. Princess. Okay, God bless everyone.